first grade. Welcome to week 2 of our word work. I am so excited to be learning with you. Handel has even decided to join us today to help us with our word work. So Handel, are you going to be a good helper and a good teacher? I know you will be. So I'm going to put him over here. We are in my basement today. So today our objective is going to say, I can change beginning sounds in words. So today we're going to be really focusing on how we can be magicians. We're going to take words that we already know and then we're going to go abracadabra, poof, and change them into brand new words. Now behind me, you're going to notice that I have an alphabet chart over here. So this is going to help us if we need any help with our sounds. So we have A, apple, B, bear, C, cat, Apollo, you missed your cue. C, cat, Then we have D, dog, E, egg, F, fish, G, goat, H, hat, I, iguana, J, jar, K, kite, L, leaf, M, mouse, N, nest, O, octopus, P, pig, Q, queen, R, ring, S, socks, T, turtle, U, umbrella, V, violin, W, window, X, x-ray, Y, yarn, and Z, zebra, So that was just a review of some of the beginning of our sounds that we have in our alphabet. Now, what I'm going to show us are some picture cards, okay? So my first picture card is a picture of a bear. Can everyone knock the first sound and then say the second part of the word with me? So it's going to go like this. We're going to go air. Can everyone do that with me? Air. Good job. Now, I'm going to show you this picture. It is a picture of a chair. Can we knock that sound? Air. So in these two words, I magically changed the B in bear to a ch in chair and made two completely different words, and all I had to do was change one sound in the beginning of the word. So let's take a look at our next one. I have a picture of a cat. Can we all knock the first sound in cat? Ready? At. So remember, that's our C sound in cat. Now take a look at this picture. Let's tap that one. At. I hear a B sound. So we have bat, cat. So all I did was I changed the k in cat and made it a B in bat and made two completely different words by only changing one little sound. Okay, let's do another one together. All right, next I have boat. Can we tap that one out? So let's go boat, boat. What sound do you hear in the beginning of boat? Can you say it? Yeah, it's a B. Now, really important first grade, please don't say B. We don't put an sound. When we say our letter sounds, we say B. Okay, so no U's there. So this is a boat. Then I have goat. So let's tap that one. Goat. What sound did you hear in the front of that one? Yeah, we should hear a G sound for goat. So again, all I did was I changed the B in boat into a G in goat and made two completely brand new words. So let's try some together, okay? So I'm going to say a word, and then I'm going to tell you what sound to change, and you're going to say the new word, okay? So bed, b-ed. Change the B into an R. And what do you get? You should have said red, b-ed, or ed. Okay, our next one, ready? The word look. Change the l into a b. So look and book. Nice job, first grade. Let's do another one. Ready? Toy. Change the t to a b. Toy. Good boy. Let's do one more. Pet. And change the p to a g. Pet and get. Good job, first grade. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do some practice together. So I'm going to roll you over here. You're on a fun little cart. So I have a picture here that we are going to try to magically change the beginning sound to make brand new words today. So here is my first picture. I'll hold it closer to you in case you can't see it. It's a sun. Can we sound out that word together? Ready? S-un, sun. So I hear a s sound to begin our word. So I'm going to write s, That's our U umbrella. Now today we are going to keep the ending sound the same. We're going to keep the un the same. So I have to think, well, what other letters could I change from this S and make it into a brand new word? So I'm going to take a look at my ABC chart. What about a b sound? What if I take that S and I change it into a b? What word do I get? B-un. Bun. What else could I do? Ooh, what if I put a f in the beginning? So I'm going to take away the F. And what do I have? Fun. Fun. This is fun. I like making new words. Okay, let's do another one. What if I do the word with an in the beginning of it? Sound that one out with me. Un. Run. Whoa, first grade, we just made so many new words by only changing that beginning sound. So now let's do another one together. I have this word now, which is a fan. Let's sound out the word fan. An. So I hear a f in the beginning. A. In. Fan. Now, I'm wondering, again, I'm going to keep my A in the same because I'm only changing the beginning sound. How could I make fan into a brand new word by just changing the F? Let's take a look at our alphabet chart. What letter could I use? Ooh, what about p, p, p? If I take that F away and I make it into a p sound, it changes into p and pan. What other ones could I use? Ooh, what about an M? If I take away the P and make it an M, what word is it? Man. So today, first grade, what our job was as a reader was we were able to change the beginning sounds in words. We just changed that first sound and kept everything else the same. We were able to do that by knocking the first sound and hearing the rest of the word. And then this is going to help us to read and write more words. If we know that, oh, I know how to spell the word sun, then I can spell fun and run and bun. And it helps us become better spellers. So today, you're going to go to Seesaw, you're going to open it up, and you're going to do an activity where you're going to see beginning words, and then you're going to change them into different ones. Okay, first grade? I can't wait to see you back tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to magically change the ends of our words to make brand new words. All right, first grade, I will see you later. Bye.